Hey everybody, sorry about the hair. I just woke up and I have the hiccups. What I want to show you guys is normally I would forget about that part. Normally I would count to 30 seconds and drink water at the same time. But this is a trick that I've been using for my kids since they can't hold in their breath for too long. Um, so what you're gonna do is get a cup of water. All you got to do is warm it up. Okay, here, let me just clean this out. Okay, so all you got to do is warm it up. You don't even need that much water, just a little bit. Warm it up. It doesn't need to be hot. It just needs to be warm. Maybe a little bit closer to hot, but I don't think so. I think warm. Okay, so I put this for 15 seconds. Let's see. And this is the best remedy for my kids. Best ever. And I figured this out. I forgot who helped me. I think it was one of my sons. Or no, I was drinking coffee one day. I think it was coffee. I was like, oh, I have the hiccups. One of my kids said to just drink the coffee that I had. So I drank it while it was warm. And wow, what do you know? It works so good. So I was like, oh my gosh, this is going to be the best remedy for hiccups. Ever since then, I've been having my kids warm up the water. Okay, so I warmed this up for 15 seconds. All right, and I got it from the sink water. Okay, okay, watch this. I'm not going to hold my breath or count to any numbers at all. I'm just going to drink it. Let's see, let's wait a little longer. I only took like 4 gulps. Okay, I still have it, so let's drink more slowly this time. Probably need to get more water. No hiccups. No hiccups. Yep, still no hiccups. Nope, nope. No hiccups. Wow, this is amazing. So yeah, you guys, all you need is a little bit of water, put it in the microwave, and drink it. Oh my gosh, wow, that's amazing. No hiccups. All right, so yeah, I find that to be the best remedy for your children and for yourself, mostly for children, since they can't hold in their breath for too long. All right, bye, you guys. Love ya.